Okay, guys, just a quick recap on creating sessions before we start on Sunday. Apologies in advance because I don't fully know the best way to do this. I've just experimented with the system and I'm just seeing what might be useful for us. When you're in Blackboard Collaborate and you've got your general course room, we need to create sessions for each period, or you could do for a double period if you've got a double period. I'll run you through it quickly. Create session. It will be time consuming. To make things clear, I would put maybe the time, the period number, so class 1, class 2, and the teacher name. In the meeting, some of you guys were saying that the students are going to be really confused and they don't know which class to go on. If we name it in this way, in sequential order, it should be clearer for the students. So I would go with day, class 1, teacher name. If it's a double period, maybe class 1 and 2, so on. Event details. This is going to be Sunday. Period 1 is, I'll do this as we go, 8:30 a.m. Last time I set them for p.m. Had to readjust them. Starts at 8:30. Okay, and ends at 9:20 a.m. Okay. Worth checking, making sure you've got the time and the date right. I would say repeat weekly, every Sunday, because we're going to have to do this next week as well. If you want to do this process twice, you can, but repeat session, repeat weekly, every week, Sunday, end after. In theory, we're doing e-teaching for 2 weeks, but let's face it, this could go on for 3 weeks or 4 weeks, so I would keep that at about 10 sessions. Early entry, students can enter 15 minutes before the start time, 30, 45, 60. 15 is probably better. If you do 60, someone could end up in the wrong room for an hour, sat there looking on their own. Your choice. No direction on this one. Session settings. Everyone that joins will be a participant. If you want them to have access to their mics, if you want them to have access to their cameras, which I think we don't. If you want to ban them from the message board, you can. If you want to stop them from drawing on the whiteboard, you can. You can adjust all of these settings inside the room when the class starts as well. So I would untick share video. Draw on the whiteboard is your choice. Attendance reporting, tick yes. We're doing attendance manually anyway, but there's no harm in getting a report. No confirmation from management really about how long is late, how long is absent, how long they have to be in the session. So maybe don't fiddle with those. That's everything. So you've got the time and date. Repeat the session. Allow some early entry. Choose the settings as you like. Tick attendance reporting and save. Just so you guys can see, I'm going to do another one quickly. I'm going to call this one Sunday Class 3. I don't have my schedule at hand, but I'm going to imagine this is Fran's class, okay? Again, Sunday's date would be the 22nd. Looking at the first session I created, Oh no, it's the 22nd. But it finishes on the 20th. Never mind, skip that. I was misunderstanding my own class there. Starts on the 22nd on Sunday, finishes on the 22nd on Sunday. Class 3 is 10:30 after break time AM, and it finishes at 11:20 AM. Repeat session, yes. Weekly, yes. Every week, yes. Sunday. Same settings. Honestly, I think the video thing, we don't really have to tick, but I'm doing it just as best practice. Get your attendance report, save. So now on our list of sessions, Sunday class 1 with me, Sunday class 3 with Fran. Gonna create one last session. I know it's here, exciting for you to watch. I'm going to create Sunday class 2, which hopefully will come automatically in between class 1 and class 3. Again, I'm making up the schedule as I go. Sunday class 2, we're going to say there with Rosina. Set the date to Sunday. Time for class 2, 9:20. AM until 10. Not the best system in the world, as you can see. Until 10:20. Repeat that session every week on Sundays, 15 minutes before. Let's turn their videos off. Let's share an attendance report. And let's save that class. That class, class 2, because of the timing, has come in chronological order. This is going to help our students orientate themselves and know which class to go to. At least it's not going to be jumbled completely. We're going to have to do this for every session. That's 7 sessions a day, 5 times a week. So that is 35 sessions that will have to be input. It's going to be time consuming. No lies about that. I would try and set them up at least the day before you go into class. I'm going to try and set my schedule up over the weekend so the whole week is there. Make sure you tick the reoccurring box. If you have any questions, WhatsApp group, email me. Don't phone me too late because I probably won't answer the phone. In fact, don't phone me at all. I probably won't answer the phone. But yeah, I'll try and help if you need help. Cool. Enjoy the weekend. Bye-bye.